Heartbreak does something terrifying to people. Sometimes it destroys them. Other times it transforms them so completely that even their closest friends barely recognize them months later. The quiet person becomes confident. The insecure one suddenly looks unstoppable. And the strangest part? The transformation usually begins at their absolute lowest point. Psychologists say heartbreak affects the brain almost like withdrawal from addiction. The person you were emotionally attached to disappears, and suddenly your routines, confidence, and sense of identity collapse at the same time. That emotional shock creates intense discomfort. But hidden inside that pain is a powerful psychological trigger: reinvention. After a breakup, the brain starts searching for control. People begin changing their appearance, building new habits, and reshaping their environment, because the old version of life now feels emotionally dangerous. A new haircut, better clothes, long gym sessions, healthier routines, even silence on social media all become part of rebuilding identity. And this is why most glow-ups do not actually start with confidence. They start with rejection. Every improvement gives the brain small dopamine rewards. Progress temporarily relieves emotional pain, which pushes people to keep evolving. But the biggest transformation is rarely physical. Heartbreak forces people to confront insecurities they ignored for years. Some finally develop discipline. Others learn boundaries, emotional control, or self-respect for the first time in their lives. Ironically, the real glow-up usually begins the moment someone stops trying to impress their ex. That is when the transformation becomes genuine instead of performative. Confidence becomes natural. Energy changes. People notice immediately. Maybe that is why heartbreak changes people so dramatically. It destroys comfort, routines, and emotional safety all at once. But sometimes comfort was the exact thing preventing growth in the first place. And the scariest part? Some people only discover their strongest version after someone completely breaks their heart. Subscribe for more hidden psychology behind modern life.